Episode of The Future of Farming Today and Innovation in Agriculture. And today, I wanted to talk to you kind of a shorter message, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit about consistency. I think we've been talking to farmers over the last, 3 years since we launched our crop booster, and we've been getting really consistent results, really good results. And, I think that in some cases we've really touted our best examples, right? Those great farms that got 150, 260% increases in yield. The corn university trial where we doubled the yield. All the different pepper farms where we got between 70 and 97% increases in yield. And we tended to tout those big examples. And we found out the hard way that those examples, while true, were not necessarily believable. A lot of farmers didn't believe it, and so it became kind of something that we didn't really use as much. We did see those results, and I'm sure that if you talk to most vendors that are selling any product, they're going to try to tout their best examples, right? But what we found is that it's more important to get consistent results, and consistency is a huge important point. And I wanted to talk to you today about consistency, about how to achieve consistency. Because with farming, like any other business, but with farming, there's so many variables that can go into getting a good crop, seeing a good result, getting a good results year over year. And what we found is when talking to farmers is it's not just so much an issue of what your best crop is or how much you can increase yield in 1 year. It's more about how do we deliver consistent results. And in this episode, I want to explain how the crop booster is delivering consistent results, not just a really good result this year, because again, that 1 year bump in yield is not going to do much for you in the long run. And so what I wanted to talk to you about is how to get more consistent results. How do you get better results consistently year over year so that it's not like this where you have one good year, one bad year, one good year, one bad year, or a couple of good years and then a bad year. You don't want those inconsistent results because it will drive you crazy trying to figure out and predict how much money you're going to have on a consistent basis. So the crop booster technology helps with that. And the reason why it helps with that is because it continually maintains the internal metabolism of the plants at a consistent level and a consistently high level. So it doesn't matter if it's raining a lot. It doesn't matter if it's not raining enough. It doesn't matter if it's, heavy sunshine or warm or cold. I mean, a lot of these different factors that can dramatically fluctuate what's happening with the plant, our system is helping those plants stay resilient against those factors. So it's not just a matter of getting a good yield in 1 year, or it's not just a matter of getting a big bump in yield. It's a matter of what can you do consistently. And we're seeing results that are consistent improvements in soil health, consistent improvements in plant growth and plant health, and consistent results in terms of maintaining that high level of production year over year. In fact, the farmers that are our biggest advocates and that are our biggest testimonials are the farmers that were with us from the beginning. Guys like Art Heineman and Jim Reed and a lot of these guys that have been with us for 2, 3, 4 years will tell you that yes, they did get to see results right away, but where they're really seeing these results is year 2, year 3, and beyond. As they continue to use this because it's improving that soil health, it's improving that organic matter in the soil. It's improving the CEC. It's reducing electrical conductivity and all these different soil things. But it's producing a consistent result in the plants, and keeping the plants consistent and consistently producing. So if you're interested in improving your yield and improving the quality of your produce, but you're looking more in terms of a long-term solution as opposed to, hey, I need to get a good crop out this year, then the crop booster is the kind of technology you want to look into because it's a 2-year product. First of all, it lasts for 2 years before needing to be replaced. But more importantly than that, the longer you use our product, the more you use it, the more you're going to see consistent benefits over time, and your yield is going to be just continually and steadily increasing over time. So if that's the kind of result that you're looking for, we want to work with you. We want to work with innovative farmers, right, who look to the cutting edge and look to improving their farming operation. But we really want to work with farmers that are looking for results, not just in this year, but also steady improvements year over year over year. So to get consistent results, you need to increase the plant's efficiency and improve the soil health consistently over time. It doesn't do you any good just to add fertilizer or get a good bump in 1 year. You need to continually monitor and maintain good farming practices, and the crop booster technology, of course, will just enhance all of those good practices and make it more consistent for you. So if you're looking for consistent results, again, just give us a call, 727-324-6750. You can email us at service@harvestharmonics.com or go to harvestharmonics.com and check out our website. Check out the science, check out the results we're seeing, not just on one farm or two farms, but on hundreds of farms around the world. And we want you to become part of it. We want you to become part of our family where we can help you and show you that we can deliver results this year. We can also deliver results next year and the year after and the year after and the year after. Because when you start seeing consistent gains and consistent improvements, those year to year fluctuations are not going to drive you as crazy. And hopefully you'll be on board with us for many, many years to come. So hope to hear from you guys very soon. If I don't, please have a great weekend. But hopefully, if you're looking to be part of the future of farming today, then we want to work with you to help make that happen. Have a great, great weekend, guys. We'll see you again next week.